a turkey meatloaf that gives the classic a run for its money. In a large bowl, combine the diced onion, minced garlic, breadcrumbs, fresh parsley, eggs, milk, sun-dried tomatoes, crumbled feta cheese, salt, and pepper. Gently add the ground turkey to the mixture and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. In a small bowl, whisk together the ketchup and mustard. Transfer the turkey mixture into the greased pan, then spread the ketchup-mustard mixture evenly on top. Bake for 45 minutes or until the meatloaf is fully cooked through and golden on top. Once done, remove the pan from the oven and let the loaf rest for 5 minutes before slicing. This resting time allows the loaf to set, helping it hold together better when served.